Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LENOVO FingVision X1A monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust all images options in your monitor. So, at first we have to click on this monitor button here, these three lines to enter options, and now you have to click this button to go to the right to enter adjust image properties. Here, OK. And now we can see the first option, which is color. Let's click OK. And here we have preset mode or custom. We can enter custom, and here we have red, green, or blue option. So we can click on blue and adjust our blueness level. As you can see, we can set the blue level to the 90, of course, for example, and now we can go back to preset mode. Let us click preset mode, and here we have the neutral, bluish, reddish, and sRGB, and neutral. The default preset is neutral, but let us set it to the sRGB, for example. Here we have to enter adjust image again, and here we have input signal as the next option. Let's click OK here, and here we have the HDMI, and we can switch the or input manually. We have here HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB Type-C. Let us go next, which is overdrive. Okay, here we can enable overdrive or disable overdrive. Let us all enable overdrive. Okay, and here apart from that we have low blue light. Let us enter it, and here we can enable low blue light option. And these are all the options that are available for us. So let us disable these options. Turn it off. And let us enter image properties, color, and preset mode. And here we can set neutral. And as you can see, it's that easy. Input signal, etc. Overdrive. Turn off. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.